Okay, let's break down this one here. From the beginning, let's see how they play. This one. Five, four, so that is the first part of the song. So I will come one, then five, then four, then you go to two, and let's continue to see what else they're doing there. So they're repeating the same thing again. Five again. Then you go to four. Then you go to one. One, five, I think they do play 1, 2, 3, 4. So try again in the circle. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 5. That is the toning part. So 2. Instead of playing the note, play the G sharp. So 1. To 1, then you end on 5, right? So you go to 1, then you go to 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, and then from there, the next part I think is the chorus. Let's say, just play. Then the usa part you play the same way as toning, right?
Let's go, Sam.
Okay, then we go, when you go to the chorus, here's how you play the chorus. 1, 6. So I'm playing on a, 1 octave. So I'm playing it here. 6, 5, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, and 1, and 5. And this is how you play throughout the chorus. So it's 6, 5, 4, 1, and 5. And that's the entire song progression of Vumb'elimnandi in F sharp. When you go back, you know how to play the first part, and then the second part, and then also the chorus. Yeah.